to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on customizing the taskbar on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Personalization from the left sidebar. In Personalization settings, select Taskbar. Here you can customize your taskbar. You can choose which features are visible, such as the search bar or widgets. You can choose which icons are available in the system tray, and also edit taskbar behaviors such as automatically hiding the taskbar, showing badges, and more. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.